So here's what I do, staying location independent and traveling the world at age 68, and you can do it too. This is what has worked for me. I wanted to show you my apartment that I just moved into today. I'm going to be here a month. So this is the living room, dining room, and I'll show you the kitchen. I love the kitchen. Gas stove, which I like, full refrigerator, plenty of counter space, and a little oven. Not a microwave. I don't really use them. And the bathroom, look at this. Now, this is a bigger shower than you usually get in a bathroom in Italy. Bidet. I really like bidets. When I go back to the US, it's kind of shocking to not have one. So the owner is wonderful. I stayed here a couple of days last year, and I thought I could be here for a month, and now I am. I'm thrilled. Wi-Fi works great. So you got to check things out. Wi-Fi, I'm working. Location, safety, the owner. And my Romeo and Juliet balcony. Here we go. Look at this. Love it. I'm in the historic center, so it's quite beautiful. Those motorbikes do annoy me though, so there's that. So going back into my bedroom. Closet space. I just unpacked. I'm almost done. And it's close to the Ortigia market. I'm in Siracusa, Sicily, Syracuse, Sicily. And I just wanted to show you because this is what works for me. Finding an apartment that meets your priorities with location, safety, access to transportation. I can get to the train station, the bus, all of that very easily. And how I started 19 years ago was I went to visit my son in Nepal. He was living there, and we traveled for a month and a half together in Nepal and India, and then I went to Bali by myself. That was the first foreign country. Well, wait, was it the first? No, it was the second, because I did go to Europe by myself, but just for a couple of weeks. And I loved it. That's what got me on the location independent lifestyle. So for a while, I was doing 6 months in the United States and 6 months traveling, and that worked great. So whatever works for you and your financial situation and how you can figure out to do this. I've been a photographer and writer and educator for 39 years and always had my own business. So the choice was mine to make, but at the beginning I didn't know how I could possibly do this. So one of the things about Europe is that if you go in January, February, March, it's much lower priced than the summer. So I never come in summer because the price is double. And you don't have as many options for where to stay. And I'm happy to be in the United States and California for summers, and that has worked out great for me. I do see a time that I might be gone for a full year, but it just depends on your circumstances, how you're going to structure your work. I'm not retired. I'll retire when I die. I've been doing this for 19 years. I've been to 34 countries, and I do one-on-one consultations and can help you get going too. And we talk about itinerary, visas, any questions you might have one-on-one, so you get your personal situation squared away and getting going on traveling the world. Because if you're at a point, I'm age 68, if you're at the point where you have more freedom, you've either raised your children or you're just in a place where maybe you're not in a relationship anymore, went through a divorce. I mean, I didn't start traveling like this until I was divorced. I was married for 20 years, and living this life is completely different than how I had a USA-based life before, and I love this. So you don't know until you try it. You kind of have to be obsessed with it. So research your countries. If you need help, let me know. I've been all over Asia, Central America, South America, now Europe, and the United States, and Mexico. So you can do it, and I want to help you. So get in touch, and if this is helpful to you, subscribe and share it with other people, and like. It helps the algorithm to be found on YouTube. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you start your traveling adventures. So I'll see you in the next video.